Hi everyone, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you guys. This is your girl Kristine, down with another video. All right, and let's get to it, people. So this video will be cleaning and organizing, specifically my refrigerator, and also, I guess instead of a mudroom, it's a mud shelf. On the bottom, shoes in there, and then also on the top is just mostly storage. So we'll be checking that out. So honestly, I really didn't think this refrigerator was so gross. Should have known though, because it's been literally a while since I've cleaned it. We're finding all these gunky things in this refrigerator and we're getting it all cleaned. Such a good feeling to get a clean refrigerator. Finally, I've been wanting to clean it for the longest, but I kept putting it aside and not having the time to do it. But finally I got it done, which is great. So finally we got all gunk out. It's finally clean. I'm just putting back the shelves into the refrigerator, which, by the way, I had a little trouble putting them back in. It took me some time, but I finally got them in. So I'm just cleaning the shelves, making sure they're clean and putting them right back in. And now we have to work on the door, which is also a huge mess. All right, so this is what it looks like after all that trouble. A nice organized refrigerator. Now we move into this shelf that is super messy. Haven't been able to clean it up. So yep, let's get to it. Okay, so like I said before, I use the bottom of the shelf for like shoes, and then the top for like books and like stuff we store in the baskets. Also like mail, I have a little mail holder that's on top, or we usually have on top of the shelf. So yeah, so this is our little mud shelf, as I call it. This is what I use, and it does get dirty pretty quickly, obviously because of the shoes, but yeah, that's what we're getting down to. We're just cleaning it up and getting it back to looking nice and organized. And that concludes our 5-minute video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, have a great day and see you back on our next video. Bye guys.